Welcome to the VX Series unboxing video. We'll go over what to expect when unboxing your new VX Series transmitter. This will cover the VX3 through VX6. On my first box here, this will be for the exciter controller section. We've got the amplifier box somewhere else. We'll deal with that after. Tape's already removed, so let's open this up. Right on the top here, I've got the documentation on a USB drive. My test results for this transmitter are in there as well, so that'll be good to hang on to. Also have the quick start guide, which will help us through the install and commissioning stages. Set that aside safely. Next thing here is we've got our ancillary kit. This has all of our ferrites and all the cables and hardware we need to get this set up and installed in the rack. So that'll also be very handy as we go along. A couple pieces of protective foam we can pull out of the way, which leaves the unit itself under a nice plastic cover. So I'll pull that out, and underneath there'll be a set of cables that'll interconnect the controller exciter unit to the amplifier section itself. I'm going to want to make sure I don't forget those because we'll absolutely need those to get this running. So we've got the unit taken out, set on the bench. Here's those cables I mentioned. So we'll need these for the next steps to come. Got the second box up here on the table now. This is the amplifier section. Tape's already removed, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Not much in this box beside the unit itself and some protective covering. We'll get that out of the way so we can get some access. Go back to the plastic and we're good to take it out. This is heavy, so we would recommend a two-person lift if possible. Otherwise the power supplies can be removed to make it a little bit lighter and easier to handle.